In this video, let me walk you through the way that you can create an account of TikTok. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to trend it. If you don't have an account of TikTok, let me show you the step-by-step process that you'll need to follow. First things first, make sure you download the application of TikTok on your phone if you're using a mobile device. You can also use the website of TikTok, but the easiest way is going to be to use the app. Once you have downloaded the application, open up the app, and straight away it's going to show you sections of choosing what you like. You can skip this and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. This way it's going to give you a section of logging in. Now instead of this, you can tap on the sign up option, which is on the bottom of the screen, and then use a sign up method. Either you can use a phone number or an email address. This way you'll need to type it in, but if you're using a Facebook or a Google account, you just need to select those individual accounts and you'll be immediately signed up. For this video, I'm just going to use my email address. So I'll tap on the first option and then type in the email address. Once you're done, tap on continue and then create a password. The password needs to be at least 8 characters long, should have at least one letter, one number, and one special character. Once you created your password that meets these criteria, you can now tap on continue. You can also reveal this password by tapping on this eye icon. In the next step, you need to choose your date of birth. Make sure you add in the correct date of birth because you won't be able to change it later on. Once you add in your date of birth, you can now tap on continue. In the next step, you will need to create a nickname. It says right here, this can be anything you like and can be changed later. So add in any name that you want, but you can also skip this if you want to add it later on. Once you complete this process, if you head back to your profile section, your account now has been successfully created. It would not have a clear nickname. It is going to show you just the username. You can always change it by heading over to setup profile. This way you can change your name, your username, and then add in bios and links as well. You can also change your profile picture by tapping on this icon on the top. So that is the exact step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to create your account of TikTok. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.